Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a Rosemary-Papaya Facial Mask recipe for treating wrinkles, crow's feet, and laugh lines. Want to bring back your natural glow? This mask uses fresh papaya for its vitamin C to boost collagen and the enzyme papain to tighten pores and exfoliate. Rosemary essential oil helps refresh your skin by improving circulation and speeding up cell renewal. This quick and easy mask can help rejuvenate your skin, leaving it looking refreshed and radiant. The recipe makes one treatment. What you'll need is a 1/4 cup of fresh papaya puree and 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Mix ingredients. In a small bowl, stir together the papaya puree and rosemary essential oil. Step 2. Apply to skin. Use your fingertips to spread the mixture evenly on your freshly washed face, paying extra attention to areas like crow's feet and laugh lines. Step 3. Relax. Let the mask sit for 15 minutes. If it feels slippery, you can use a paper or cotton facial mask to hold it in place. Step 4. Rinse and moisturize. After 15 minutes, rinse your face with cool water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Do take note that a slight tingling sensation is normal, but if it becomes uncomfortable, rinse off the mask immediately. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, show you the way to live life better day by day.